gonna continue the timeline. So right now is 6:16, 10 December, and I was sitting on the floor. Very comfortable.
Tadi I berjaya ambil gambar dengan Presiden KPJ. Kalau piramid tu kan, piramid tu di kepala dia adalah Firaun.
Firaun?
I'm right beside him, bro.
Damn.
InsyaAllah head nurse of KPJ Dato' On.
KPJ Dato' On. Gosh. Makeup still flawless, yeah?
Makeup still on point.
On point.
See? Giving.
It's giving. The gap between the seat is literally my shoulders.
Hi everyone, we are going back to Nilai. So today we already finished. So today we already finished our last performance for choir. So yeah, we are going back. Now we are at UMIU.
Oh no.
Yeah, so the owner of the iPad. Yeah. She's so tired, but she chose to lay down and don't want to sit at the seat. So now we are heading to Nilai. At behind is so hot. Kan panas kan? Kan kiri?
It's giving. It's giving.
Yeah.
Lah kau sok-sok lah dengan
So
British
I
accent kau ni.
can
Excuse me. Nafsu kau faham يعني ترجمة سامعني.
Fuck off you. Kau ni mana kan?
Kakak Lia.
Satu lagi.
Okay guys, bye. Okay, bye guys.
Susu untuk
caca kot tu ke su?
janganlah kacau.
Awi. Kecil kau. Tengok ni.
Kerja biasa lah. Siapa dia okey kan? Okey.
So, tamat sudah hari kami. Cinta memang penuh misteri. Wah, tidur pun masih flawless ya.
Hatinya. Baru nak thank you for everything. Jom makan dua. Bye sir.
Bye sir. Tak. Sus nak pergi.
Salah.